Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs microwave full guide. Start by filling a microwave-safe bowl with water and adding a splash of vinegar. I will walk you through timing, container choice, and simple tips to keep whites tender and yolks runny. Expect reliable steps, clear timing cues, and safety pointers for microwave cooking. By the end, you'll poach eggs confidently for toast, salads, or quick breakfasts. Start by cracking the egg into a small ramekin so it slides gently into the water without breaking. Gently lower the egg into warm water, then cover the bowl loosely so steam circulates and the egg cooks evenly. Microwave on medium power in 30-second bursts, checking between bursts until the white is set and the yolk remains soft. These small adjustments prevent overcooking and give consistent results every time. Timing varies by microwave, so expect around 45 to 90 seconds for a soft yolk in most ovens. If the whites turn rubbery, switch to lower power and add 15-second increments until done. For multiple eggs, cook separately or increase time slightly while monitoring closely. Always lift eggs with a slotted spoon to drain and gently blot with a paper towel if needed. These small tweaks will fine-tune your perfect poach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.